Good evening, guys, and welcome back to my channel. So tonight I have a slightly different video for you guys. I've never done anything quite like this on my channel, but I have been having a lot of people request me to do a little bit more fashion, luxury type of videos, such as handbags and shoes and things like that. And I did recently order myself a pair of Balenciaga Triple S sneakers, and I thought, why not do an unboxing and share with you guys my thoughts, my first impressions. How comfortable are they? Do they fit true to size? Do I regret getting them? Anything like that. So I'm really excited to unbox these sneakers and share my first thoughts with you guys. So if you are new to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. My name is Alithia, and on this channel we do usually talk about perfume. We also do a little bit of organization, home decor, minimalism, fashion, lifestyle, handbags, things like that. So if that is something that interests you, then definitely make sure to head on down and subscribe. Also feel free to head on over and follow me on my Instagram, where I share a lot of outfits of the day, scents of the day, little tidbits of my life, and more of the type of thing you will see in today's video. So with that out of the way, let's get started in today's unboxing. Alright guys, so just as a sort of a prelude to this unboxing, I want to give you a little bit of context. As you can see from my current shoe collection, which that is partial, those are I think kind of all my high-end designer and then some other not really super high-end. But as you can see, I am not much of a sneaker girl. So this is the other side, which are all high heels. There are some flats and a few T-strap sandals and some pointy toes and a couple of rock studs. But as you can see, I'm definitely not much of a sneaker girl. I literally have one pair of sneakers, which is these down here. These are from Cole Haan, and they're just a very simple loafer kind of sneaker in white. And that's about as sporty as I ever get in my off days. I do also have a pair of Nikes. I think they're Nikes that I wear to the gym, and they are white. And I absolutely love them. But my style is definitely not super casual or super sneaker. It's just not how I roll. I like things to be very dainty, very pretty, very feminine, very elegant. I like shiny things. So this unboxing is definitely a departure from anything I would normally ever buy. So given the fact that I'm not a sneaker girl, how ironic is it that I would buy the quote-unquote ugly dad shoe? These are definitely not what I would describe as feminine, dainty, delicate, girly, but there's just something about them that I really wanted them. I can't really explain why, you guys. It's just, I feel like they're quite iconic. I may end up not loving them. I don't know for sure yet. I'm kind of like actually nervous to do this unboxing because what if I absolutely hate them? I mean, if I hate them, I can return them, but I wanted to unbox them on camera because they could become something I really love. So after I unbox them, I will insert mod shots. I will do a little bit of footage with me actually wearing the shoe. I'll show you how they fit. I will talk to you about if they're comfortable, all of that kind of stuff. But for now, let's just do the unboxing. So these literally just showed up today. Of course, they did come in a larger brown shipping box. Unfortunately, the actual shoebox did get a little bit dinged up. You can see right up here, there is a little bit of wear and tear. They did come from the States. I don't know if I'm going to have customs or duties owing on them because they were a little bit pricey, and I also did order them in the color white. Originally, I was gonna get the clear ones that have like the clear soles. I thought those were a little bit more me. I like things very minimal and neutral, but when I saw a few pictures of people styling these white ones, I just felt like they were so me, and I don't know, maybe they won't be me at all. They're definitely a departure from anything I would ever wear. I don't really know if I'm going to, I don't know what I'm going to use them for, but hopefully I get some wear out of them. I feel like they'll be really casual and also kind of a statement. So I did order the size 37. I did go down a full size because apparently these sneakers do fit a little bit larger. I normally wear a 7.5 to an 8, depending on the type of shoe and the brand. Based on the reviews and everything that I saw, people were saying to go a full size down with these shoes because they are a little bit larger fitting. So fingers crossed they will fit. So I haven't opened this box yet. We're going to do that now together. This makes me even more nervous because what if I hate them? But let's just do it together. So this is what it looks like when you first open the box. So it does come with, I see, a spare pair of shoelaces, which is really nice. I'll set those to the side. It also comes with what looks to be my payment information. So it says, thank you for shopping with Balenciaga. Talks about the return and exchanges. It does come with a FedEx return label just in case I do want to return it, which is pretty cool. So that's really good to know. So then it does come with a bag. I guess this would be the bag for the shoes. And you guys, this box is so heavy, and I feel like they're gonna be huge. I don't know, like obviously they're a larger silhouette of a sneaker. I'm actually nervous. Let's take the tissue paper off. Oh my God. I'm so excited. Oh my goodness. So they have everything really nicely wrapped, really nicely cushioned. Oh my God. Okay, so, oh my God, they're huge. They're actually huge, you guys. Oh my God. Oh my God, this is the heaviest shoe I've ever felt in my life. This must be a 10-pound shoe. I will not need to go to the gym anymore if I just wear these shoes. All right, so shoe number 1. All right, so this is what the shoe looks like. I knew it was going to be big and heavy, but I was not expecting it to be this big and heavy. This is going to take some adjustments, but if you have ever seen pictures of people styling these shoes, even with like a nice dress, like a casual dress and a nice Chanel bag or something, they look actually super chic. Comment down below right now and tell me what you guys think of these shoes. Are you a fan of the Balenciaga Triple S, or are you not really a fan? It has the little tag on it that says Balenciaga. And yeah, this tag must remain on for exchanges or returns. Really good to know that I can exchange or return it if I'm not happy. And then it does have the white shoelaces with the little black marks on it. That's what the bottom looks like. I actually really like these, you guys. The more I look at them, the more I really like them. So I really like that it is the white with kind of the beige, and I like that it's kind of a yellowy beige. I actually think that looks really pretty. And even though they're very big and kind of chunky, I think that they're very neutral and that they will go with a lot of outfits, which is kind of why I wanted them. I picture myself wearing these like traveling on vacation. And if you flip the shoe around, you do have some more of that really nice detail with the white and the beige, and it says Balenciaga there. That's actually a pretty cute profile. I really like that. Really nicely made, obviously. And then on the front, they do have the size. So your Balenciagas will come with a number corresponding to your size, which is kind of cool. I've never seen that in any other shoe before. And then on the tongue, it does say Triple S. And then on the inside, of course, you would have your, right there, Balenciaga on the inside of the shoe. And yeah, then your information with the sizing there. On the bottom of the shoe, it does say Balenciaga as well, because why not? They have to be a little bit extra. And I'm digging it, you guys. I really like this. And seeing them on camera, I like them even more. And honestly, I'm actually kind of psyched. Yeah, I think they're going to be okay. I don't think they're going to be too much. I was a little nervous. I don't know, you guys, this is going to be very strange for me. I am not a sneaker girl. So what was I doing purchasing the biggest, most crazy sneaker available? All right, you guys, so here they are on my feet. You guys, I really like them. Oh my goodness. I have to say the advice to size down a full size was spot on, because these are a perfect fit. So I'm usually, like I said, a 7.5 to an 8, usually an 8, and these are a 7 or 37, and they are absolutely perfect. So this is them with a pair of Lululemon pants. Yeah, this is what they look like. I don't think that they are too big at all. I actually really like them. I like them so much more than I thought I was gonna like them, you guys. Yeah, I love them. Oh my gosh. Yeah, I really like them. I thought they were gonna be too big, but they're so cute and they're such a statement. It's just so strange. I'm not a sneaker person, but they have made me a believer. So this is them from the side, Lululemon pants. I think they're so cute. Oh my goodness. I love them. In terms of comfort, they're actually pretty comfortable. They're actually super comfortable. And I like that they give me a little bit of height. They definitely do add a couple of inches to my height, and I like them. I like them a lot. Yeah, they're pretty comfortable. And I don't usually wear socks in my shoes. I know that's strange, but I tried them on without socks, but there is a little bit of room. So even if I did put a pair of like little ankle socks on, I think they'd be really good. You could definitely make them a little bit dressier. This is obviously just workout clothing, but you could totally wear these to the gym. You could totally dress them up. They would be very comfortable as a travel shoe. Like if you were going through the airports and stuff, this would be a great travel shoe, and it would really make a statement, as well as being just super comfortable and super functional. So I have to say I'm a little bit obsessed. I really like them, and such a good job picking the size and everything, and pretty fast shipping time as well. From Balenciaga directly, they took about 3 days to get here, and it was free express shipping, as it should be when you pay that much for a pair of shoes. Yeah, I'm sorry, but I can't get over how cute they are. I cannot get over how darn cute they are. For something that is this big, it still is pretty darn cute, I have to say. All right, so that is the shoes, you guys, and I have to say I'm actually head over heels in love with them. Didn't think I was going to be, but I'm kind of a little bit obsessed, and definitely do size down if you are going to grab a pair of these shoes. And I just had them on for about the last like half hour. They are a little bit heavy, but what do I know? I don't normally wear sneakers, so yeah, I find them to be really comfortable. So that was it for today's unboxing and first impressions of these Balenciaga Triple S sneakers. Please let me know down below, you guys, what your thoughts are on these shoes. Do you like these sneakers? Do you think they are god-awful ugly? Do you think that they are super cute? Are they trendy? What are your thoughts? Let's talk about them down below. I have to say I am kind of sold on them, obviously. I do think I prefer them more in the casual look as opposed to the dressier look. That's just my preference. I think I could wear these to the gym and also as like a travel outfit. Those are my thoughts on these shoes. I will update you in the future. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you all very soon in my next one. Bye for now.